When we were really looking for ways to ensure we were meeting the highest professional standards within the janitorial industry, really the CIMS program and certification was a really easy choice because it's fully backed with top certification for janitorial companies on a global level through ISSA. CIMS has laid out a company standard for our management team, our sales team, our HR and recruiting teams, our quality control teams, the training and inspection of our cleaning teams. And overall, it was the obvious choice for us to ensure we meet, the highest professional standards while serving the buildings we are really entrusted to clean. Going through the certification process has enabled us to look at areas that we needed improvement on. From a service level, we needed to incorporate strict accountability processes to ensure we could monitor and measure at every level to ensure the best customer experience possible. CIMS has also helped us in the sustainability area where we have a shared responsibility to really adopt sustainable cleaning practices, from the equipment we use, to the chemicals we buy, to the waste we collect. It's really important that we are working to clean with less electricity, alleviating harmful chemicals, and basically reducing waste at the client side. The sustainable goals we worked through with CIMS has improved the health of our client sites, and we really hope they recognize this overall.